Ideal Logic Plus 30 packed in again. So what we're doing here is we helping the boiler guy. So he's one side now, but we're getting no hot water. So the gist of it is it's hit and miss. So sometimes we're getting it, other times we're not. Sometimes the pressure's dropping, so we know we've got a leak somewhere. But as you can see there, we've had a leak, but it hasn't went through the case, which is a good thing. But on top of that, it's hit and miss. So even when we put the pressure up, it's hit and miss when it gets hot water. These are flow turbines that sit inside there. And basically, it's like a ABS pickup on a car. Think of that as the hub spins. And this is a mag pickup. So this, it'll pulse. You'll see a little light pulsing on top when this spools. Sometimes we're not getting that. So the burner will not burn. So that's part of it. But on top of that, we're getting aeroplane noises. So we've changed the pump because we know the pump's on its way out. Like I said, I've had this about 10 years now. And on top of that, if you only get hot water or central heating or one way or the other, this is what can cause it. So the plunger inside basically opens and shuts two circuits. So you can have hot water or central heating and it'll revert back to the other. But yeah, so last year we had all them changed. So this year, we're having one of these changed again. We can see the lime build up in it. See the lime scale on there. So yeah, I've got this one out. This is the second one I've had to get out because brass top, the snap here. So when you take them out, you got to watch it because these can corrode and snap off. But luckily, this one got changed 4-5 years ago, and it's done it again. So it could be cheap. That's the eBay thing. I don't know. But yeah, change that. Change the pump, then go from there.